Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to me and my wife channel. As you can see, today we'll make some pasta. Make some creamy tomato sauce pasta with cheese, and I'll make some shrimp pasta, spaghetti, and it's cream. Get there. I'm putting adding the spaghetti to the tomato sauce, creamy tomato sauce. Basically, this is one of the best recipes I think I've created, and this is Jamaican style. I didn't show you guys what I added to it, but what I can say is that I add cheese and cream, guys. It's creamy. I can't tell you the flavor that I'm using. So yeah, shrimp pasta, spicy too, cause Jamaican thing I did said it had to be spicy. Yeah, that was dinner for me and my family, wife and kids. Yeah. But honestly, only me eat that one. The shrimp and only me that eat it because it's spicy and everyone else don't like spicy except me. So yeah, see the pepper there, sir? You put 2 pepper in it. This is one of my favorite that I love. Here we go, that's finishing product of it. Thank you guys for watching. See there? Look at that. Pretty and beautiful and nice. Pretty. Ready for consume. See if I look pretty. I see them so it tastes good. I think we didn't need to get some more shrimp, but it's okay. Yeah, that's the finishing product of it. Nice, spectacular. Yeah, thank you guys for watching.